Tí o bá wo ilé ẹ.
If you check your house.
Torí property kan bẹ̀.
And you see a property there.
Ibi tó ti ṣiṣẹ́ rí.
Where you've worked before.
Bóyá aládàáni tàbí ìjọba.
Maybe private or government one.
Tí wọn ò fún ẹ.
And they never give that thing to you.
Ṣùgbọ́n tó mú.
But you stole it.
Olè ló jà.
You are a thief.
Òun ló ń dá àdúrà ẹ sọ.
It is one that is wasting your prayer.
Ọlájésù, ohun tí èèyàn ò bá ní kí wọ́n bá fún kí ló ṣe?
When thing is not yours and they give to you,
you are
a thief. It won't be in your house and your prayer will be answered.
Ìwọ kọ́ ló ní.
You are not the owner.
Ibi tó ti ṣiṣẹ́ ló ti mú.
It is where you work before that you pick
Gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì
it.
ló bá ṣiṣẹ́ tó kì mọ́lẹ̀.
It is government that you work with and you even took hold of it.
Tí o bá wà ńbẹ̀.
If you are there,
Ọlọ́run rán mi sí ọ.
God sent me to you.
Ó ní kí n sọ fún ẹ.
Said I should tell you
Olè ló jẹ́.
that you are a thief.
Number 4.
Ìkẹrin.